Hi everyone, welcome back to Pragya's Talk Tuesdays, where you get to hear life stories and opinions of people from different walks of life, and where I, Pragya, hope that something knowledgeable gets into your head through my talks. Yes, so today's session is about opinions from 5 different age groups on a topic that gets people confused. Yes, so whenever you are in a delicate situation and you have to take a decision, so you can be either of these two things. Either you can be right or you can be kind. So what would you be? Okay, I'll give you a situation. Imagine a friend of yours or your child has scored very bad marks in a test, and on the contrary, his friend has scored real good marks. So, what would you say to your friend or child? That would you just go up to him and tell him that where he was wrong? Like he could have worked more hard and ज़्यादा पढ़ लिया होता, ज़्यादा मेहनत डाल ली होती, थोड़ी सी मेहनत और कर ली होती. Or would you just go up to him and say that it's fine and you can do next time, like you can score well next time? Would you do this? What would be your thinking be like? Would you be right there or be kind there? Till the time you tell me your answer, let's hear from some people.
I will like to be right.
Be kind.
Right.
Be kind.
I'd prefer being kind to her rather than being right to her.
If my child has not scored well, I will make him to be right. Because without right, he cannot learn any discipline. If I only be kind, he will neglect it. But one has to be right so that he learns discipline, like just like military. In military, only discipline teaches them. So I will not accept that he has done before because of this or because of that he has not done well. I will be always strict him. I will ask him to follow all the principles, and I will ask for whatever he has to do with discipline. He has to do.
Be kind इसलिए होना चाहिए है कि बच्चे ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ग्रो करना ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਬੱਚੇ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਤਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਡਿਪਰੈਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਈਂਡਲੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਹੇਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੱਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕੁ ਇੰਟੈਲੀਜੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ.
In my friend's case, like I'll be good, I'll be kind, and then I'll be right. Like first, obviously he will be sad, so I'll embrace himself, and then I will correct him that at this point he was wrong. He should have studied, and then he will study. He can study later as well. He'll do better. He can do better next time. Yeah. So
Be kind. I will tell my sweet child that tomorrow will be better than today. So keep it up.
If my friend has scored less, then I'd prefer being kind to her rather than being right to her, because I would like to show my support by extending my empathy towards her rather than telling her that I scored more because I was right and she scored less because she was wrong.
You've heard their answers. So were you able to answer your situation? Like what would you do when you were in the same situation? Okay. Till then, I also had conversations with these people as to what is their opinion in life. Should a person be right or be kind? So let's go and hear them out.
One has to be right. If one person is right, he can make his family completely right. And if the family is right, then he can make their neighbors right. And if their neighbors are right, then society will be right. कहते हैं ना, आप सवरो समाज आप पे समझ जाएगा. For this, I would like that one should be right. सच को पाने के लिए सच की जरूरत होती है. आप जब सच्चे हैं तो सच को पाएंगे. सच्चा कौन है? परमात्मा है. परमात्मा को पाने के लिए सीढ़ी अच्छी है कि आप हमेशा सच पे टिके रहें. सच को हमेशा हेल्प मिलती है उसकी. इसलिए कहते हैं कि सच पे आप चलते रहो, अटिक रहो. Right is a very powerful armament, weapon. That is why the Indian Constitution has given the fundamental rights to human beings so that they can achieve their rights by that law. If one has to follow the laws, he has to be a principled man himself. Unless and unless he sticks to his principles, he will not succeed. He should be right in his life. He should not do he should not deviate from that.
ਇਨ ਜਨਰਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਟੂ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦੀ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਹੈਗਾ, ਬਟ ਮੇਰੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਈਂਡ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ, ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ 100 ਰੁਪੀਸ ਨੀਚੇ ਗਿਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਲੋੜਵੰਦ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ, ਬਾਈ ਚਾਂਸ ਉਹ ਚੁੱਕ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੇ ਚੱਕਿਆ, ਬਟ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹੂੰਗੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ। ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਥੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਕਹੂੰਗੀ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਗੋਲਕ 'ਚ ਪਾ ਦੇ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਹੀ ਲੈ ਲਵੇ ਉਹ 100 ਰੁਪੀਸ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਟੂ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਹੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਿਹੇਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਬਟ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੇਚਰ ਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਮੈਂ ਕਾਈਂਡਲੀ ਬਿਹੇਵ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਕਾਈਂਡ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ।
If a friend has done something wrong or he's not good at something, then it's his loss only, and he'll not be able to enhance himself, he'll not be able to like develop. And on the other side, if you will be right and you will correct him at every mistake or anything, then he'll be able to improve himself. Obviously he will feel bad, but it's for his betterment only, and he'll be a better person. Yeah, that's
I
it.
will like to be right, as by being right you are keeping away your emotions, and in fact making that particular individual to upgrade his lifestyle, his workings. In my social life I have seen that many people, what they do, they just because of they don't want to become bad, having their bad face in front of others, they are kind, but they are not right. One has to be right in whatever they say, because in having your being right, you speak your truth and you are honest to the society, and by be kind you are not honest to the society or to the individual or to your family, but by be right you are honest, and I can say in fact you are making their life better, though it is harsh, but it is a truth of the life that if you are right, then their life will be good in the long run, but in short run be kind can be better, but in long run you have to be right. Thank you.
I generally prefer being kind towards a person because I believe everyone's definition of what is right is different. What may be right for me could be wrong for somebody else. That's why I believe in extending my support through showing empathy towards a person rather than telling them where they went wrong and forcing my opinion on them. I have been in situations where my friends have come up to me, asked for my opinion, and whenever I correct them, they always end up despising me because there is conflict of opinion in what they think is right and in what I think is right. So I prefer showing my support through being kind towards them, showing them empathy. Whenever I'm stuck in a delicate situation, that's my first instinct.
These five really did explain the right meaning of being kind and being right in different situations. So yes, I believe that after hearing to 5 of them, I believe that everyone has a very different way of handling things and situations, and yeah, I believe that you must have also dealt with some situations just like this in which you had to decide whether to be right or to be kind. So let me know in the comment section below what was the situation and how did you handle it. And yeah, this was all for the video, and I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you to explain as to what is being right and what is being kind, and where you should be right, where you should be kind. So yeah, all for today's video. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching.